Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ubdarim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarspora. Our topic is main features of foreign trade, and today I am going to deliver my lecture on the same topic with point number 10. Point number 10 is dependent on trade. India's foreign trade is largely dependent on foreign shipping, insurance, and banking companies. Government has been paying special attention to this aspect of foreign trade since independence. Merchant ships are being built in India under 5-year plans. Indian banks and insurance companies have started taking interest in foreign trade. And number 11th is state control on foreign trade. State control on foreign trade. State control on foreign trade. There is a high degree of state control and state monitoring of the economy's foreign trade. The main objective of government's foreign trade policy is to encourage exports and discourage imports of unnecessary goods. Several institutions have been set up to promote exports such as Board of Trade, Exports Promotion Council, Export Inspection Advisory Council, Export Credit and Guarantee Corporation, Director of Exhibition, etc. And number fourth is 12th and last point regarding this feature is foreign trade by the government. Foreign trade by the government. Government of India has set up many corporations to handle foreign trade. For example, number one example जो हमने दिया है, State Training Corporation was established in 1957. In 1957, State Training Corporation, State Training Corporation, State Corporation was established in 1956. This corporation did foreign trade worth rupees 69 crore. Rupees 69 crore. 69 crore. 69 crore in the year 2004-2005. और दूसरा इसका है मिनरल एंड मेटल्स ट्रेडिंग कॉर्पोरेट. Minerals and metals and minerals and metals trading corporation was established in 1963 with a view to promoting the export of minerals and metals, and 2014-15 exports by MMTC in Minerals and Metals Training Corporation जो है 2000 rupees 2301 crore 1 crore and imports by the same this this corporation, that is MMTC, is rupees 14,530 crores. Now this topic was completed. Hope you understood it. Tomorrow I will come with next topic. Assalamu alaikum.